July is the month when we start harvesting the fruits of our work. We've been away just for one day, and today I'm in our garden to see what it has to offer. Cucumbers, they are wonderful summer vegetable. Low of calories and hydrate you really well. These here are marketer. They became our favorite variety. I started them from seeds. Now in July they are thriving. I'm gonna cut some today because they became too big. This is the normal size of this variety. If you're like me, I cannot eat the store-bought cucumbers because they fertilize them too much and they give me stomachache. But these here are another story. I can eat them in every salad, and I also make a wonderful summer soup. Another one is hiding here, and I'm trying to not disturb the bees that are doing their job. Pretty one. This one is smaller, but if you like the cucumbers younger, you can also cut the size like that. Another one here. They have so many flowers and so many small cucumbers in progress. They like to hide under their leaves, so the plant is making shade for their babies. They are just like tomatoes, like magnesium and calcium, so we just apply it once when they were younger, and after that, of course, regular watering. Cucumbers are water, just water and minerals, so they require lots of water. I think today we have quite a lot of production. I'll leave few small like this for tomorrow. They grow pretty fast, just like zucchini, so tomorrow they will be ready. Here we have another variety cucumbers. This kind are especially for preserving. Last year we preserved the marketer, it's good, but these are even better. So we made that net and put just few plants. They started producing really nice cucumbers. These are wonderful fresh. You just wash them and they are really crunchy. But I try to not eat them and collect just for the jars. Here we have another two. These nets do wonderful job for the cucumbers. They like to climb. And here, this is done by the hailstorm we had. But the plants are still okay. They manage. I think I have another one. Here. We usually like them size like that in the jars. These are a bit too big, but as I said, we were not here yesterday and they grew a bit bigger. They disguise really well. So these are our cucumbers from 10 plants just for one day.